Hey everybody, welcome back to T-Roy Cooks. We appreciate you joining us once again. My buddy Keith Bettag decided that since it's now fall and turning into winter, it'd be a great time to have a bunch of us get together and do some soups, chowders, gumbos, you know, that sort of thing. So this is my contribution to Keith Bettag's challenge, basically what it is. It's all in good fun though. I'm doing a Southwest dish for you. Doing some chicken tortilla soup. It should be pretty good. Let me show you what goes in it. All right, I'm just kind of winging it, so bear with me if I add more than this. I'll let you know while I'm filming. First off, chicken. You're gonna need some chicken. Now, I've already grilled my chicken. These are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And I just hit them with a little bit of Tango Spice Company's Southwest Sunset. It's great stuff. But these are done. I'm just, to cool off, I'm gonna cut them up here and cube them in a little bit. I got some corn. We're gonna roast the corn on the grill. I got some Anaheim and one of these Poblanos. We're gonna grill and get them kind of smoked up on the grill there. Got some limes, got a little avocado. We're gonna roast some garlic. I may put this on the grill or I may do it in the oven, we'll see. I've got a medium-sized onion. We're gonna put that on the grill, roast that up. And these peppers and onion and garlic, that's gonna give it a really robust, earthy flavor. It's good stuff. Of course, you're gonna need some yellow corn tortillas. You can use white corn if you'd rather. A little cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, just use some parsley. Italian flat leaf parsley will work. I got a Mexican blend of cheese here. And you can see what all's in there. It's my normal Mexican blend I use from H-E-B. If you don't wanna use this, you can use some Mexican queso fresca. All right, now for my spices, I've got some Chipotle pepper, regular chili powder, ground cumin, again, Southwest Sunset from Tango Spice Company. Thanks Tango, Joe, that's good stuff. I got some fire roasted diced tomatoes here. If you didn't want to get them out of the can, you can always fire roast your own tomatoes, just as we're doing with the peppers and the onion and garlic. Got some black beans in the can. We're gonna drain these and rinse them. Here you go, Keith. This is for you, buddy. Smoked hot paprika. Keith Bettag actually sent this to me. This is good stuff. I'm gonna use this. Gonna need some chicken stock or chicken broth. You can make your own or get it out of the can or however you want to do it. Chicken stock or chicken broth, either way. A little salt and pepper to taste. So I'm gonna get all this prepped up and we'll be right back. All right, folks, we're back. I just wanted to show you I've got my peppers, my onion, my garlic, and my corn all on my grill. Grill's on high. We're gonna get these browned up real good, toasted up, give it some good flavor to our soup. All right, man, it's coming along real nice. It's been about 10 minutes. Peppers are looking really good. Onions looking good. Over here, my garlic's looking pretty good. Corn's looking excellent. Oh yeah, man, this is gonna be great, y'all. All right, be back in a second. All right, everybody, got my corn ready. We're gonna cut that up real quick off the cob. Let me show you what we're doing with that. So I got me a little dish here in the center of my plate. Just take the corn cob. All you do is run the knife down it. And that plate catches all your little corn kernels right there. Makes quick work of it. When you get to the end, if you want some of the corn milk, just do this right here. Scrape it all off of there. There you go. Corn off the cob right there. All right, gang, we're back. I'm gonna throw these fire roasted tomatoes in there. These are diced tomatoes in the can. I did not drain them. Got about a tablespoon of EVOO in there, olive oil. All them tomatoes look pretty. Give these just a minute or so. I'll also put in our grilled onions and peppers. We chopped them up, you know. Drop those in there real quick. Okay. And also have some corn. There's 4 cobs of corn going in. Yeah, nothing better than roasted corn. And Karen's back here behind me. She's cutting up the chicken for us.
Cutting chicken.
Oh yeah, that's looking really good. All right, so we're gonna let this warm up just a sec. We'll be right back. All right, this has been going for a few minutes now. It's time for some black beans. And again, we drained them and rinsed them. At the same time, I'm putting in roasted garlic. Kind of just mash the bulbs. Got all that garlic out of there. Love roasted garlic.
That's good.
I'm telling you, that's good stuff. What else we got? Can we put some chicken in there? Yeah.
I'm getting some cilantro ready.
Going in with some chicken. Give all this a good stir. And we haven't added any spices yet. We're going to do that here very shortly. All right. Let this go for another minute. We'll be right back. All right, gang, we're back. Time to add us a little bit of seasonings. Got some chili powder right here. We're going in with a couple teaspoons. There we go. Ground cumin. Again, a couple teaspoons. I like cumin, so does Karen. Maybe a little bit over, 2.5 teaspoons. How about that? A little chipotle chili pepper. Maybe a 1/2 teaspoon. We already got all that smoky flavor in there from all the veggies that we roasted.
Put some cilantro?
I like to do the cilantro at the end unless we're going to put some more later. You can put some in there if you want. About a 1/2 teaspoon of Keith Bettag's smoked hot paprika. And salt and pepper to taste. We will re-season with salt and pepper at the end. And we're also going to add our chicken broth at this time. Give this a good stir up. Oh, this is smelling wonderful. All right, time for the chicken broth. I got 32 fluid ounces right here. Chicken stock actually is what I'm using. Gonna go ahead and pour this in. We're gonna bring this up to a little slight boil, and we're gonna let it, we're gonna turn it down and let it simmer for about a 1/2 hour. Let all those flavors all mingle, and then we'll taste it again, see if it needs anything. Like I said, I'm just winging it here. Yeah, all right, gonna bring it up to a boil. We'll meet you right back. All right, guys, this is almost up to a boil. I did give it a quick taste, and it's pretty kicking. I put too many peppers in there, I think, so I'm just gonna tone it down a little bit. A little bit of sugar. Stir that in before it comes up to a real good boil. And that'll probably help it quite a bit. I did add a little bit more salt to it as well. But it's looking pretty good so far. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we've been going for a little bit, maybe 10 minutes. All right, we're gonna throw some cilantro that Karen so graciously chopped up for me. And also I have 2 corn tortillas. And these are not huge corn tortillas, they're just regular corn tortillas. And we're also gonna add a little bit of water, maybe another 1/2 cup, if that. Give this a good mix. And let this continue to cook with the lid on for, you know, just simmer it about another 1/2 hour or so. And these corn tortillas should dissolve in here and kind of thicken it up and give it a nice corn masa flavor. It's going to be excellent. It's going to be excellent. We'll be back. All right, folks. I got 4 or 5, looks like 5 corn tortillas. I just want to let y'all know, Karen's really messing with me tonight, man. She give me a hard time.
So what?
So what? All right, this is what we got. Corn tortillas, we're gonna bake these off, make some strips. We're gonna cut this in half real quick. Okay, and I'm just gonna go across here. Do about a 1/4 inch, 1/8 of an inch, however thick you want yours. By all means, go for it. Okay, so do all these real quick. And we're gonna put these on a baking sheet. I got the oven preheated, 350 Fahrenheit. Nothing's going on here. We're just gonna bake these off in the oven, 350 for probably about 12-15 minutes. And this is gonna be our topping on the soup. Be right back. All right, folks, we've been going about 20 minutes or so now. It's time to add a little bit of lime juice. 1 whole lime juice going in. And if you don't have one of these fancy gadgets right here, these juicers, you need to get you one. These things are a lifesaver. Really, really good. All right, again, give this a good mix real quick. And again, man, this is smelling some kind of fun. Ooh, doggy, it's gonna be good. All right, be right back. Hey everybody, look, we're fixing to check this soup out. It smells really, really good. Let's give it a shot here. Here we go. I want some chicken. There we go. Get a little chicken. The avocado. I'll tell you what. That's a fine chicken tortilla soup. Could use a little bit more salt for my taste, but it's fine just the way it is. And Keith, that smoked paprika, it does add a little kick in the back. I'm thinking that's what it is. It could be the Anaheim peppers too, but it's got a little kick in the back. And guys, Kara's controlling the camera right now, and she is making all kind of weird faces at me right now, trying to get me to crack up. All right, look, we'll see y'all next time. I appreciate you joining me again. Keith, thank you again for the suggestion to do soup. I hope you try this, hope you enjoy it. We'll see y'all next time. I'm sure I got something good coming up. And remember to tell all your friends, T-Roy cooks responsibly.